please write down, sir. Allowing, listen carefully, sir. Allowing 10% and 15%. Allowing 10% and 15% on successive discounts. Just I want to tell you how to make use of answer options even in arithmetic. The selling price of an article is 3060. Market price of an article will be how much? Again a question. This question is taken from placements. I will discuss variety of questions from multiple examination so that the students who are preparing for placements, bank and other exams, it will be helpful. These are taken from the placements. 4,400, 4,400, 4,000, allowing 10% and 15% on successive discounts. Selling price of an article is 3060. Market price of the article. Market price of the article. Now, because this question, when I looked at in placements, when one student asked, sir, can I use formula? It has actually taken 1 or 2 seconds for me. Answer is 4,500. Answer is 4,500. Sir, how it is 4,500? Listen carefully, beta. First it is market price. First it is market price. This is 20%, sir. Not 10%. So if it is 20% down, 20% discount is 1 minus 20%, this will become 0.8. Again 15% down. Discount means I will lose money. This is 0.85. It is nothing but 3060. Market price into 0.8 into 0.85 is 3060. Market price into 0.8. What is 3060 digital sum? 3060 digital sum is 9. Answer digital sum is 9. Left hand side digital sum should be 9. So answer is 4,500. When these options are there, directly I can do it. 3060 digital sum is 9. Write any number if you multiply by 9, answer digital sum will be 9. Sir, is there any other way that we can do it? We can also do it by using this way. Now see here. This is 4,500. This is 0.8. This is 0.85. Listen carefully, sir. 4,500 is divisible by 9. 9 means it is also divisible by 3. Answer digital sum should be divisible by 3. 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 is divisible by 3. 0.8, 80 by 100, it is divisible by 4. Divisibility rule of 4 is last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. 60 is divisible by 4. 0.85, it is divisible by 17. Answer should be divisible by 17. 17 ones are 17, 136. 17 8s are 136. So answer is 4,500. You can beautifully make use of lot of answer options just by looking at the question itself. Just by looking at the question itself. Write down next question.